Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase product visibility with Pinterest, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Pinterest business account. This will give you access to analytics and advertising tools. Make sure to complete your profile with a clear brand logo and a detailed bio. Next, set up relevant boards that reflect your brand's niche and products. Use keyword-rich titles and descriptions for each board to improve searchability. Now, focus on creating high-quality, vertical images for your pins. Use tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to design eye-catching visuals. Ensure your images are bright, clear, and visually appealing. Add clear text overlays to convey your message quickly. Include a mix of product pins, lifestyle images, and user-generated content. When pinning, optimize each pin with descriptive, keyword-rich titles and descriptions. Add alt text to your images to enhance accessibility and help with SEO. Use relevant hashtags to improve discoverability. Pin consistently to keep your content fresh and engaging. Consider using Tailwind or another scheduling tool to streamline your pinning strategy. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and repinning content from others. Join group boards related to your niche to expand your reach. Monitor your Pinterest analytics regularly to assess which pins perform best. This data will inform your strategy moving forward. Experiment with different types of content to see what resonates. Utilize Pinterest ads to promote your best performing pins. Set a budget and target your audience effectively. As you grow your presence, collaborate with influencers in your niche. This will help you tap into new audiences and gain credibility. Lastly, always stay updated on Pinterest trends and algorithm changes. This will enable you to adapt your strategy accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.